Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you and show you how you can edit issues in your projects on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Alright guys, so in the first step, head over to Jira, of course, log into your account, and here on the left panel, select the project you would like to work on. So let me go with this project here. And just for better overview guys, let me switch from the board view to the list view here, just like that. And here you will see an overview or a list of all of your project's issues ongoing or scheduled or already done or completed here, judging by that status. So to edit or to customize an issue, guys, all you will need to do is basically, for example, click into its name here, for example, to rename it. Or you may, for instance, click into its key here to the left, and that is going to redirect you to that customization window here. So here you can work in detail on your issue, rename it again by simply clicking into its title, confirm the new title, or cancel it, for example. Then from the top to the bottom, guys, you may click into your issue's description here, and for example, edit and customize your issue's description. Let me skip, for example, or jump to the next line, and then add a description like this example. For instance, then you may customize your description's font by applying bold letters, italic letters, changing the text color. You may add bulleted lists, numbered lists, action items. You may add these too, or you may hyperlink, add and attach various media, for example, images, videos, PDFs, documents, for instance, uploaded from your device and attach them to your description. Then you may mention users by using the mention button here, add emojis, for instance, add a code snippet, and so on and so forth, guys. You may attach files to your issue also by clicking into this plus button here. And after that, simply select attachment there, or you may add a whiteboard, a page, an external link, or select or attach a second work item to make this item or issue here a parent issue or item. And that's basically it, guys. Let me click into save here to save our new and changed description. Then you may add various subtasks to your task. For example, you may do that by clicking into that plus button here and select create work item. And there it is going to create a completely new subtask here. Then, guys, here at the bottom, you may track your issue's activity. For example, comments that have been made, the history, the work log. For instance, to see if you browse through your issue's history, when the given issue has been created, changed its status, invited new assignees, and so on and so forth. Speaking of assignees, guys, you may add these to your issue by clicking into assignee here under detail to the right. Click into that field here and simply go through that list of your team space and assign these by clicking into their username. You may add labels, for instance, set a due date, assign a parent issue, set a start date, and so on and so forth. Okay, so as you can see, there is quite a lot of customization editing work here possible. And last but not least, you may change the status of the given issue by clicking into the current status, and by selecting another one. You may create a completely new custom status, edit a status. You may share your issue by clicking into the share button here in the top right corner and share it to externals, for example, through a shareable link here or via email, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's basically it. Now let me close that window here. And if I, for example, guys, return to the board view of my project, I will be given the opportunity to move these issues and tasks, for example, from one column, like to do, in progress, done, and so on and so forth, to another one by left clicking into them and by moving them intuitively to the next column. That's how it works. And that's how you edit issues on Jira. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.